Hi, third grade. Today we're going to do Unit 11, Week 2, Day 4. That means that tomorrow is your Unit 11 assessment. So let's get started. A, I bait A. A, Y play A. E-I-G-H 8 A. E-I vein A. E-A steak A. E-E jeep E. E-Y key E. I-E piece E. E-I ceiling E. Nice job. Okay, today we actually have a word of the day. The word of the day is going to be a contraction for the two words I am. I am excited about this week. What contraction would we use in its place? I'm, right. Do we know how to make the contraction I'm? Yeah, you're going to keep the I. The first word is the same. And remember, the pronoun I always starts with what kind of letter? A capital letter. You always use I, capital I, for the pronoun. Now, do you remember? This was a special case on page 40. What do we do with the second word? Yes, we replace the A with an apostrophe and we scooch over the beautiful M. Very good. So we have I am becomes I'm as a contraction. Excellent. All right, so let's go ahead on page 69 in your student notebook. Get your castle book out and go ahead and add that word of the day to the I section. Okay, so right here, I did the contraction first, capital I apostrophe M equals I am. Okay, pause the video if you needed some more time with that, and then we'll do our sentence for the word. All right, and the sentence is going to be, I'm going to eat salad today. Okay, I'm going to eat salad today. Go ahead and write that sentence down. Start again with a capital letter, end it with punctuation, and scoop it up. Pause if you need more time. Okay, to get ready for our unit test coming right up, we're going to go ahead and do a dictation composition book. So go ahead and take out your composition book and open to page 46. What page? 46. And get today's date up at the top, whatever that might be. All right, and we're going to start with sound number 1. Remember, you can use your sound section, which is on page 20, to help you make sure that you are accurate with your sounds and you're not missing anything. Okay. Sound number 1 on page 46 is going to be Say it. 5 things. Go ahead. All right, let's see how you did. Did you get E-R, her, Yes. I-R, bird, Yes. You-R, burn, A-R, beggar, O-R, doctor, Excellent. Move over to sound number 2. O. Say it. 5 things. Go ahead. Okay, let's see how you did again. O consonant E like O home O. O by itself like O no O. O a boat O. O e toe O. O w snow O. Awesome. All right, try the next one. Ooh. Say it. Ooh, we've been practicing this one. 7. Go. Okay, how'd you do? Did you get U consonant E like you rule ooh? You flew ooh? U-E blue ooh? E-W chew ooh? O-U soup ooh? O-O school ooh? And U-I suit ooh? All right, we got one more. You ready? The sound is E. Say it. E. Go ahead. 9 things. Okay. Last check-in. Let's see. Did you get E consonant E like E Pete E? E by itself. E me E. Y baby E. I, it's squeezed over there. Champion E. Vowel teams. E E jeepy. E Y key E. E A eat E. I-E, peace E, and then on the very edge, I squished it over here, E-I, ceiling E. How did you do? All right, let's go to review word number 1. Struggle, struggling. Circle that suffix and mark it up. The boy was struggling to get his homework finished. Struggle, struggling. Go ahead. All right, how did you spell strug? St-r. 3-letter blend. S-T-R. Good. U-G. That's a closed syllable with a short vowel. Strug. Gull is G-L-E. But when you attach a vowel suffix to a consonant L-E syllable, you drop the E. And when you mark it, you insert it real tiny up above. Did you circle ing? Thumbs up. All right, number 2, move across. Your word is class. Say it. Class. Our class has 20 students. Class. Go ahead, spell and mark. Okay, let's see. CL blend, short A, and then there is a bonus letter you should have started. It is a closed syllable. Good work. Next row, number 3. The word is, base word is shop. Whole word is shopping. I went shopping at Target the other night. Shopping. Spell and mark. Okay, we should be good with the base word shop, S-H-O-P. What kind of word is that though? 111. So did you double the consonant before attaching the vowel suffix? I hope so. All right, last review word, chapter. Say it. Chapter. We read a chapter of our I Survived novel, chapter. Spell and mark. All right, how do we spell the first syllable? Chap. C-H-A-P. Ter. T, which R controlled? E-R, right. Okay, chap was closed. Ter was R controlled. Make sure you're circling the E-R. Okay, the next section is current words. What we're going to do is I will give you I said fraction. We're not in math class. A contraction, and you are going to write the contraction first equals the 2 original words. Okay, so the first contraction is they'll. Say it. They'll be happy if they get a good grade. They'll. All right, contraction first equals the original 2 words. Go ahead. Okay, they'll is short for they will. So if you knew they will, you should have been able to get the contraction, or you could have used page 40 and 41, right? T-H-E-Y apostrophe L-L. You replace the W and the I with an apostrophe. How did you do? All right, let's do number 2. Your next contraction is should have. You should have asked for help. Should have. Contraction first equals the original 2 words. Just make sure you're being neat. You might have to write down below, but be neat about it. Okay, let's see. Should. You should know how to spell should. Should have is short for should have. So you replace the H and the A with an apostrophe and keep the VE. Check and see how you did. S-H-O-U-L-D apostrophe V-E. Nice job. Your next contraction is won't. Say it. Won't. Write the contraction first in the 2 original words. Go ahead. Won't is W-O-N apostrophe T. It is the same thing as will not. Number 4, the last contraction is didn't. Say it. Didn't. Write the contraction first and then the original 2 words. Okay, we have D-I-D-N apostrophe T is the same thing as did not. Very good. All right, jump down to sound-alikes. The first sound-alike word is there. They're going to the zoo this weekend. There. Go ahead. Does it make sense to say they are going to the zoo this weekend? Yes, it does. So you know that you should be using the contraction with a capital T. It was the first word in that sentence. T-H-E-Y apostrophe R-E. Number 2, there. Their backpacks were very heavy tonight. There. Go ahead. That was also the first word in the sentence, so I hope you start it with a capital T. Their backpacks belong to them. T-H-E-I-R. Great. Trick word number 1 is together. Go ahead and spell it. Together. All right, let's see. T-O-G-E-T-H-E-R. Together. The last one is month. Say it. Month. My favorite month is July. Month. All right, let's spell it together. Go. M-O-N-T-H. Perfect. All right, your sentence for today is, we're going to the hockey game. That's it. We're going to the hockey game. Capital letter, punctuation, scoop it up. Go ahead. How did you spell we're? Capital W-E apostrophe R-E. That means we are going. We're going to the hockey. How'd you do with that one? H-O-C-K-E-Y. Game. And notice how I scooped it. We're going to the hockey game. Did you end with punctuation? Good job. All right, and the last thing we did today was practice some cursive with our uppercase Q's and X's. Here's words on this paper like Quincy, that's a name, Queen Elizabeth, Queen Mary. Okay, there's a couple more you could try. So if you're at home, you can pause the video and try to get some of these words down. Thanks so much, third grade, for joining me. I'll see you next time.